Hello. Welcome to a Get Started video. Today, we cover ABI Inform Collection. We'll go over how to access the database, what's in it, and how to do an advanced search. Let's get started. Go to the library's website to locate our A to Z list of databases. You'll find ABI Inform Collection there. ABI Inform Collection is a very large international database of articles about companies and business trends around the world. It covers business and economics, full-text journals and citations, influential news content like the full text of the Wall Street Journal, Financial Times, The Economist, and a lot more. More than 45,000 business-related doctoral dissertations, country reports, and industry reports. Here is the homepage. At the top of the page, you'll find links to the basic search, advanced search, and more. We recommend doing an advanced search to get better results. Here is the advanced search interface. It allows you to search for multiple terms and keywords. It then allows you to pick where you're looking for each term. We'll do an example with Power User Pro Tips. In the first empty box, type Data Analysis. Quotation mark search only for the exact phrase. In the next empty box, type Marketing. If we also want to look for related words like market, markets, and marketer, we'll input an asterisk. This is called a truncation symbol. We'll then pick Publication Title from the drop-down menu by an empty box on the right. We'll then go ahead and limit our search to full text. We'll also limit to peer-reviewed. When you limit to peer-reviewed, it only looks for content published in academic journals. Finally, we'll limit to content published in the last year. You could do many other advanced combinations, but for now, we'll click Search. Here are the results. We can sort the results. We could use filters on the left to narrow our results even more. We'll look at one of the articles. The abstract gives an overview of the article. You can read the full text in HTML or PDF format. In the upper right corner, you'll find important options. For example, we'll automatically cite the article. We'll pick APA 7th edition style from among the options. Now you know how to access ABI Inform Collection, what's in it, and how to do an advanced search. For more information, visit the Parish Library homepage. If you have questions, contact the Parish Library at parlib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching.